Hello everyone, welcome back to your TAP study. Today is turn to cover question number 27 of your book to exam 1 reading part coverage. Okay, as usual, let me read the whole passage and see what kind of questions we have and look at the choices we have, alright? And then I'm going to go back to the contents of the passage and analyze the question and see what kind of choices we have. Alright, okay, the passage says whether or not Tiger Woods is the best golfer ever is open to debate. However, one thing is for sure, his impact on the sport has been considerable. He rejuvenated the game in the United States so that it was no longer seen as a game for rich, out-of-shape men with too much time on their hands. The hugely popular Mr. Woods, the only man to have held 4 major championships simultaneously, extended golf's appeal beyond the affluent. Now people from all walks of life are taking it up. That's the contents of the passage, and the question asks, which of the following is correct about Tiger Woods according to the passage? Again, this is another simple inference based on the contents of the passage and see what kind of things actually was mentioned in the passage exactly the way it was. 그죠? If there's any modification in a way that the contents actually became different than the one that actually was mentioned in the passage, then the choices you cannot choose from, okay? For this kind of, inference question. Okay, the question says, which of the following is correct about Tiger Woods according to the passage? Choice A says, everyone agrees Woods is the best golfer in history. You may agree, and you may have a lot of friends who agree Tiger Woods is one of the best golfers in the world, but based on the contents, would that be true? That's the important thing, okay? B says, Woods' impact on golf in America has been minor. Okay, again, based on your opinion, you may think the impact on the golf in America has been minor by Mr. Tiger Woods, but your opinion is not important to answer this question. What's important is the content of the passage again. She says golf's appeal has broadened because of Woods. This says Woods mainly inspires poor kids to play golf. Would that be true? It would be really good if it did it, but based on the contents, was it ever mentioned? Okay? Even if there was nothing mentioned in the contents, if you heard about it on TVs or newspapers, still can you apply it to answering the question? You cannot. You have to only go by the contents of the passage for answer this question. Okay, let's go back to the contents of the passage. Whether or not Tiger Woods is the best golfer ever is open to debate. 무슨 말입니까? 자, 쭉 어디까지죠? 여기까지죠, 그죠? 그래서 타이거 우즈가 가장 훌륭한 골퍼, 이때까지 존재했던 가장 훌륭한 골퍼인지 아닌지에 관해서는 open to debate. 무슨 말입니까? 논쟁에 열려 있다는 것은 논쟁의 여지가 있다는 겁니다. So the passage doesn't say the Tiger Woods is the best golfer ever. It doesn't say so. Whether or not Tiger Woods is the best golfer ever is open to debate. 논쟁의 여지가 있다는 건 어떤 사람은 동의를 하고 어떤 사람은 동의를 안 할 수 있다는 거죠. However, 그러나 one thing is for sure. 한 가지는 확실하답니다. 뭐? His impact on the sport has been considerable. 그래서 그 스포츠 뭡니까? 골프죠, 그죠? 골프에 있어서의 그의 impact, 영향은 has been considerable. 상당해 오고 있다는 겁니다. 아시겠죠, 그죠? So it's open to debate whether he's the best golfer ever. However, his impact is undeniable. 이 말이죠. He rejuvenated. 자, rejuvenated는 무슨 말입니까? 활기를 되찾게 하다, 새롭게 어떤 생명을 불어넣다 이런 말입니다. 어디에? The game in the United States. 미국에서 그 게임이라는 건 골프 말하는 거죠. 그죠? 그래서 어떤 일이 났으면 결과로 그 골프는 was no longer 더 이상 무엇이 아니랍니다. 무엇이 아니더라? No longer was seen. 더 이상 몸으로 보이지 않답니다. 뭐로? As a game for rich. 부자들의 어떠한 게임으로, 스포츠 게임으로 더 이상 보이지 않게 되었답니다. 자, 어떤 부자들이냐? Out of shape men with too much time on their hands. 무슨 말이죠? 그들의 손에 너무 많은 시간을 가지고 있는 그 out of shape 그러면 몸매가 좋지 않은 뚱뚱한 이런 말이죠. 그죠? 그런 남자들, 특히 부자들의 어떤 그런 경기로만 보여지지 않게 되었다는 겁니다. 왜? 그가 the rejuvenated the game. 그가 그 골프라는 게임에 활기를 불어넣은 겁니다. 그죠? 여기 밑에 나오는데 모든 사람들이 좋아하게끔. 그죠? 맨 처음에 all walks of life라면 각계 각층 모든 사람들이 말합니다. So the hugely popular Mr. was the only man to have held 4 major championships simultaneously, extended golf's appeal beyond the affluent. 자, 그래서 the hugely popular 무슨 아주 거대하게 인기 있는 Mr. Woods는 자, 어떤 사람이 설명이 나옵니다. The only man, 유일한 사람이었다. 뭐 to have held, 가지게 된 뭐 4 major championships simultaneously, 동시에 4개 주요 대회의 챔피언십 우승을 한 the only person, the only man, 유일한 사람이었답니다. 그죠? 그리고 미국 사람이었기 때문에 미국 사람들이 그만큼 환호하게 된 거죠. extended 했다는 걸 연장시켰다 이 말입니다. 뭐 golf's appeal, 골프의 어떤 그런 매력이나 호소를, 그죠? 어디? beyond the affluent. affluent 이 말은 부자들, rich하고 같은 말입니다. 그죠? 그래서 부자들을 beyond 했다는 넘어서서 부자들 뿐만이 아니라 골프의 어떤 그런 매력을 갖다가 extended, 늘었다 이 말이죠. 그죠? 그래서 부자들 뿐만 아니라 부자가 아닌 사람들에게까지 골프가 매력이 있는 스포츠라는 게 extended, 늘었다, 알렸다 이 말입니다. Now 그래서 people from all walks of life, 각계각층의 모든 사람들이 are taking it up. 자, take up 하면 무슨 말입니까? 그것을 하다 이 말입니다. 그죠? 그래서 그것을 하고 있다 이 말입니다. 아시겠죠? 그죠? So which of the following correct about Tiger Woods according to the passage? 그래서 위의 패시지에 따르면 이 말이죠. 그죠? 타이거 우즈에 관한 내용 중에 자, which of the following 하면 이것들 중에 following 중에 어떤 것이 맞느냐 이 말이죠. 그죠? So what will be the correct inference about Tiger Woods based on the contents of the above passage? 이거 똑같은 말입니다. 질문 자체가. 그죠? A says everyone agrees Woods is the best golfer in history. 그래서 모든 사람들이 동의한답니다. 뭐 Mr. Woods가 the best golfer in history. 역사상에서 가장 대단한 골퍼랍니다. Would that be true? You may agree with it. I may agree with that. But we have to decide the contents is correct or not about Mr. Tiger Woods based on the contents of the passage. That's the rule we have to go by. B says Woods' impact on golf in America has been minor. 무슨 말입니까? 미국에서 골프에서의 Woods의 영향은 has been minor. 이 말은 minor는 작다 이 말이죠. 그죠? 작은 상태에 오고 있다. So you have to think about whether how much impact Woods has made on the golf popularity in the United States. 그죠? C는 golf's appeal has broadened because of Woods. 그래서 골프의 어떤 매력, 사람들이 좋아하게 되는 게 has broadened, 늘어나고 있어 왔다. 누구 때문에? Because of Woods. Would that be correct based on the contents? 그죠? Woods done a lot of things. He has held, 4 major championships in the golf tournaments and things like that. But C is correct based on the contents and other contents, the one that other than I just mentioned. You have to look through the passage, contents of the passage, and you have to decide whether C is exactly the way it was mentioned in the passage. Okay? This says Woods mainly inspires poor kids to play golf. 그래서 Woods는 mainly inspires 무슨 말입니까? 주로 영감을 줬답니다. 누구한테? Poor kids. 그 가난한 어린이들에게 막에 to play golf. 골프를 플레이하게, 골프를 치게 영감을 주었다. You may have seen that kind of TV news or news articles on newspaper, but you have to only go by the contents of the passage again to decide whether you can correctly make an inference about Tiger Woods, about whether he is correct or not. You have to go by on the contents of the passage only. All right? That's the trick, that's the rule for this type of question. Okay? So this is it for question 27. I think you have enough input already about the contents of the passage and the question and the choices. So I think you are ready to choose one of the choices as an answer. but I'm pretty sure that you may choose a correct one. Not only able to choose one, but I think you can choose a correct one. Okay, so this is it for question 27 of your book to exam one, reading part TAPS questions. Okay, so on my next video, I'll continue to cover your book to exam one, reading part questions. And next time will be, it's turn to cover question number 28. So I will see you with the question 28 on my next video. Until then, you study this hard and review this carefully. Okay? So until then, so long.